In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent, may the peace and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of us. Assalamu alaikum students. Now today I will continue the unit number 11, force and pressure. So in this chapter you will learn about the buoyant force. A force is an upward force which is experienced by a body when it is partially or completely immersed in a liquid. This force depends upon the volume or size of the body immersed in a liquid and the density of the liquid. See the diagram. By the help of diagram, you can understand easily. Now see the object. जब किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को completely या partially वाटर में इमर्स्ड किया जाता है या डिप किया जाता है, तो वाटर की फोर्स जो अपवर्ड पोजीशन पर होती है और उस ऑब्जेक्ट पे अप्लाई होती है, तो वो फोर्स buoyant force कहलाती है. So it means this force is an upward force which is experienced by a body when it is partially or completely immersed in a liquid. So now we will learn more about the liquid pressure. Now see the picture. Let's take a plastic water bottle and make holes all the round near the bottle, but the same height, which means we make all the holes at the same level. एक प्लास्टिक की बोतल लीजिए और होल्स कीजिए जो सेम लेवल पर हो. Have you got it? Now fill the bottle. Look, water is coming out of all the holes, not just one. आप क्या ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कि तमाम होल से वाटर बाहर आ जाएगा because of the water pressure. So water is coming out because of the water pressure, which means water is exerting pressure on the walls of the container. Now notice, water is coming out of all the holes, fall at the same distance from the bottle. What does it mean? It means water pressure is equal and all the direction at the certain depth. Have you got it? Now let's take another bottle of exactly same size and same shape. Now we drill hole at the different height and fill the bottle. Look, again the water is coming out of all the holes. आपने प्रीवियस बोतल में जो होल्स किए थे वो सेम लेवल पे किए थे. अब नेक्स्ट बोतल में आपने क्या करना है कि होल्स करने बट डिफरेंट हाइट्स पर करने. इसमें भी यह ऑब्जर्व करेंगे आप कि वाटर जो है वो बाहर आ जाएगा तमाम होल्स में से. नाउ व्हाट डू यू ऑब्जर्व? सी water falling from the holes which is near the top is at the shortest distance from the bottle, and water coming out of the holes near the base is falling at the greater distance, and it shows the low pressure and the high pressure, which means the water pressure increases with depth. What do you understand from this? Water comes out of the bottle because of the water pressure, and water coming out of the holes nearest to the base goes faster. So this means water pressure increases with depth, means water pressure increases in the height of the water column. from these two experiments, we can say water exerts equal pressure in all directions in same depth, and water pressure increases with depth. Have you got it? Now, have ever tried to drown ball in the water? Try it. You will find the force is pushing it upward against your force, which means water is applying upward pressure on the ball. So from these experiments, you can say water can apply a downwards pressure, upward pressure and lateral pressure. So what we learned today? Liquid exert pressure in all the directions, and liquid exert equal pressure at the same depth, and pressure exerted by liquid increases with the increase in the height of its column. Now that's all about the liquid pressure. Now home task, short question. Question number 14. What do you understand by a buoyant force? Now long questions. What are the factors on which the pressure exerted by a liquid depends? Question number 13. Describe an experiment which shows that a liquid exerts lateral pressure. Objective: do exercise B and C. Now this is enough for today. So we will learn something new in our next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.